Okay, now we're going to go over some of our robust vocabulary words. And penalty, is a reward the same thing as a penalty? No, because we know that according to our kid-friendly definitions, a penalty is when someone gets a punishment for doing something wrong. That's a penalty. And a reward is something that you get when you do something right or when you win something. So they're actually the opposite of each other. Penalty is the opposite of a reward. Location. In what location might you find people eating and ordering food? Well, at restaurants, right? That's where people usually eat and order food. So they can be fast food restaurants or sit down fancy restaurants, but usually at a restaurant is where people are sitting down eating and ordering food. Okay, excitable. Which is more excitable, a puppy or a turtle? Okay, so just imagine you have a puppy and a turtle in a room. Which one's going to be more excitable? Let's review the definition for excitable. It is if people or animals can get worked up easily, they are excitable. Well, I'm going to go with a puppy is way more excitable than a turtle. It takes a lot to get a turtle excited. I've actually never seen one be excited before. Positive. What would I wear if I was positive that it was going to rain? Well, we remember our definition says when you're very sure about something, you are positive. Well, if I know it's going to rain, I'm going to wear rain boots, I'm going to wear a raincoat, and I'm going to have an umbrella, right? I want to be prepared. I don't want to get wet. Flutters. Which of these flutters, a leaf or a rock? Well, let's think about that definition. If something flies or moves in a light and quick way, it flutters. Well, I don't think a rock is ever going to flutter. Do you? So I think it must be that a leaf flutters. Selected. Tell how you selected which clothes to wear today. Well, I'll tell you how I picked which clothes I wore yesterday. Yesterday for me was Thanksgiving, so I wore a Thanksgiving shirt that I made myself and my family last year, and it says, "Thankful, blessed, and kind of a mess." Couldn't sum it up better. Okay, the next word is announcement. Why is it hard to hear an announcement when everyone is talking? Well, let's review what announcement means. When someone gives new information to a group of people, that person has made an announcement. Well, if someone's trying to tell you something that's important and it's new information and everyone's talking, of course it's going to be hard to hear them. So everyone should always be quiet when there's a new announcement, right? Career. Tell about a career that sounds like a lot of fun. And let's remember that a career is a job for which someone might get training or go to school for. Well, I always thought that a super cool career is a Disney animator. So the people that draw all of our favorite Disney characters, I just think that's a super duper cool career. And you have to go to college for it. And then usually you intern and you do all these amazing things so that one day, maybe one day, you can draw the next Disney character. Think about that. That's a pretty cool job.